Starting your day with a glass of lemon water has become one of the most popular health tips around. The tangy, tart juice is said to offer incredible benefits ranging from energy boosts to clearing skin. But what does science actually have to say about how lemon water impacts your health? Keep reading to find out. In this post, we'll explore how drinking lemon water in the morning may affect your body and overall wellness. We'll cover the research into improved digestion, weight loss, immunity, and more. You'll also learn how much lemon juice to use in your morning ritual. While lemon water is no cure-all, science does back up some of the purported perks. Discover how drinking this zesty beverage every morning can optimize your health. The potential benefits of lemon water. First, let's examine some of the touted benefits that science has studied in relation to drinking diluted lemon water, especially first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Improved digestion. Lemon juice contains citric acid, a naturally occurring acid that encourages your body to produce saliva and digestive juices. This secretion can help stimulate better digestion. The citrates may also help flush toxins from your GI tract. Immune support. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C. In fact, one lemon can provide over 30% of your daily vitamin C needs. This antioxidant helps boost immune cell function to ward off pathogens. Detoxification. Some studies indicate lemon juice and peel may help stimulate liver detoxification processes partly by boosting the production of glutathione. More research is needed though. Clearer skin. Vitamin C is vital for collagen production and may help reduce acne scarring. Citric acid also has antioxidant properties that combat skin damage from free radicals. Weight loss aid. While not a magic bullet, the pectin fiber in lemons can help induce a sense of fullness when consumed before meals. And improving digestion and detox processes may support weight loss. Kidney stone prevention. Citric acid may help increase citrate levels in urine, which could potentially lower kidney stone risk. But more research is needed on lemon water specifically. pH balance. Some alternative medicine practitioners believe alkalizing the body with lemon water combats disease. But science shows your body regulates pH on its own regardless of diet. As you can see, lemon water may offer some benefits, but others need more research. Next, we'll look at how to make lemon water correctly. How to make lemon water. Making lemon water is very simple. But there are some important do's and don'ts to optimize potential benefits. Do use fresh lemon juice, not bottled juice. Bottled versions often have added sugars. Do squeeze the juice from about 1/2 to 1 whole lemon. This provides 30 to 60 milligrams of vitamin C. Do dilute the lemon juice in at least 8 to 12 ounces of water. Can add ice cubes as well. Do drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach if able. Don't overdo the lemon juice or make it too strong. Can damage tooth enamel. Don't drink through a straw, which exposes teeth to more erosion from the acidity. Don't consume too close to medications, as acidity can affect absorption. Drink your lemon water cold, at room temperature, or warm, whatever you prefer. You can enhance the flavor with a touch of honey or ginger. Optimizing results of lemon water. While lemon water is generally very safe, there are some tips for making it more effective. Drink it consistently. The benefits are most likely to be observed with daily consumption. Rinse your mouth after to prevent erosion of tooth enamel from the acidity. Stay hydrated throughout the day as well. Lemon water doesn't count toward daily water needs. Eat a balanced diet and exercise. Lemon water alone provides minimal nutrients and calories. Listen to your body. Discontinue if you experience any stomach pain or discomfort from the citric acid. The refreshing tang of lemon brightens any glass of water. But pay attention to how your body responds, and tweak your lemon water habits as needed. The bottom line on lemon water benefits. Science does support some of the popular claims about drinking lemon water, especially related to improved immunity, digestion, and detoxification. The high vitamin C content also helps nourish skin and boost collagen formation. However, lemon water is not a miracle drink that will single-handedly improve all aspects of your health. The impact depends on the individual and should be considered in combination with overall lifestyle factors like diet and exercise. Making lemon water part of your daily morning ritual is generally safe and provides a burst of vitamin C along with mild digestive stimulation. Just be cautious of tooth enamel erosion and discontinue use if any stomach discomfort. Try this zesty lemon water if you're looking for a way to start your day with more vibrancy, hydration, and nutrients. Let it energize you as you take on all that the day has in store. This content is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended to provide medical advice or take the place of medical advice offered by a licensed physician. All readers are advised to consult a physician or other qualified health professional regarding health questions and concerns. The publisher and author expressly disclaim responsibility for any adverse effects arising from use of or reliance upon any information contained herein.